Hey guys, welcome to New Arts. I'm Nafiz. Today I'm going to show you another episode on Photoshop post-production. So this is the rendered image. I'm going to do the post-production in Photoshop. First I have duplicated the main layer, then creating a group for lights for the pavilion. I have the light effects previously, copying that one into the pavilion and changing the mood from normal to screen because the light has back color background. Then sequentially copying the series of the lights in the pavilion. In the next step, I have some PNG cutout trees and plants. I'm using those in my views. So I'm making another group for trees and plants. Following the same process, press Ctrl T to select the layer and put in the exact position. I'll take another type of plants in my view. Copying the plant to the same areas to make a little bit variation. Now I'm trying to make the plants merge into the same layer to make the file more lighter, and adjusting the color with the saturation and color curve. Then I am taking another type of shrubs in my view. I'll follow the same process as it's imported as I have to make it raster so that I can edit the layers. Then copy the layers in the same group, intensify more, and copying these plants to another green spaces also. I have to shape it a little bit with the lasso tool, and again adjusting the colors and light. So guys, now it's time to get some beautiful trees in my view. While putting the trees, just keep in mind the sunlight direction. Then rasterizing the layer, adjusting the color of the tree. You have to keep in mind that the proportion and size of the tree in your view, that it's exactly set down with the scale. That what I always exactly want to do in my rendering. while you put any element, maybe it's more darker, you can adjust the element with opacity. I want to use another type of tree to intensify the background places. Furniture module is designed in such a way that there should be a tree in the middle of every module. So that is what I am doing right now, taking some variation of trees in similar height, similar scale, and putting exactly in the middle of the every module. While you copy, please press Alt and left click of the mouse. Yeah, there's that little details you have to always keep in mind, that you have to make it shape with the lasso tool. You have to cut down, you have to think about that, which things are going to be visible, which things are not going to be visible, which things are behind, which things are in front. So always keep it in mind. So you can download also these cutout trees from a SketchUp Texture Club. I'm using those cutout trees. Same process again. Adjusting the light, color, and also the opacity. I'm trying to make every tree a little bit green and yellowish, because it's a sunny day. Then I am copying these small plants because there should be some plants also behind this pavilion. As it is behind this glass, I'm reducing the opacity a little. As the ground space is quite empty, so we need some elements on the ground. So I'm taking those dry leaves to put on the ground. there will be something on the ground, so that's why I'm using those. Now let's make some fun with people and birds. It's time to make the place live with some of elements like people. So right now I'm going to take some birds first. You can see the sky is a little bit empty. There is some clouds, but I want to put some birds so that it looks more life in it. Then I have to choose some people very carefully because I need to show some activities in the pavilion as well as inside spaces and also the outside spaces. You have to keep it in mind that about the opacity, that how it should be look like. You have to reduce or increase the opacity. Taking the bikers to put a little bit behind because there is a bike track, and always be careful at the scale and the proportion. Following the same process, I also want to use some people to show the activity on the furnitures what I designed for the space. To make it a little bit more futuristic, I'm using that person with that e-bike. And I want to put a little bit shadow on it because this person is closer to me and it's visible quite clear. which peoples are a little bit closer. If you want to show in a real way, you have to put shadows. But if you want to show it in an abstract way, then you can reduce the opacity and you can use other styles. Person, I want to give some motion blur to show that she is moving. Yeah, you can make some fun with the elements what you are giving in the visualization. Some pet elements also would be nice with the space. Seeing there is also some empty spaces in the visualization, so if I want to put a few more elements here, I can use it. So I'm also that's why I'm taking those dry leaves to put on the ground. If you show more elements, more activity, that will help you to make the visual more alive and more interesting. So play with it. But nothing unrealistic is not logical. So try to make abstract or realistic or in proper scale and proportion. Checking to compatibility of more people in the visual. distortion and putting the shadows. Now I'm going to save my view as a PSD and JPEG. Now we can see the before and after the post-production in Photoshop. So thank you so much. Like, comment and share this video.